Alright guys, today's video is brought to you by Performance Unit Cape Town. That's right, Performance Unit, PU. Get your products.
Hey, what's up guys? It's a new week, it's a new vlog. So today we're back at Performance Unit Cape Town. We're gonna see what they're doing on the Mk6 GTI. That's in for the new turbo upgrade and the gearbox that they got to put back in. So we're gonna go back there now. We're gonna see how we can help Matthew out. Yeah, and just get a general update on how it is. So yeah, let's go. We are here.
Hello.
Nice. Guys, it's 3:30. I need my morning coffee. Shit, the sun is bright.
Coffee, milk, sugar. Spoon. Milk.
Merk.
Knock yourself out.
So, give me your thoughts on your update.
The intake is done. Put it back on the car, it's done. Just the turbo must go now. And then hopefully the gearbox today. Maybe start that, we'll see. But yeah, that's about it. See the dock. Car guard. Breather hose pipe thing.
You don't know where it goes?
Sure. Can you help me?
No, Google it, bro.
You know what? I will be very upset. You know what's coming. If this whole thing has to come off now so that this thing can get plugged in. Okay, that's sorted out. Hello. See. Turbo. Got him off.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Okay, well, that was in. We're back. We're back in with the crew. A bit of a different attire today. We're in our work clothes because we had to do business. That's correct. Everything but business here at the Performance Unit HQ. What's up? Alright, we're back in guys. We're back at Performance Unit HQ this time. This is where it all goes down. This is where it all happens. No, what's wrong, dude? I need to put a coolant line on to the block and the turbo, but it needs to go into the block first and then onto the turbo, and now I've kind of got to take the turbo out to put it on. Bugger up, eh? Yeah. Give him the Allen, bro.
How rich is this guy?
Yeah. Thanks. It's the Allen. The Allen's in.
Allen!
It's Allen, dude.
Steve! Don't you know that?
I do.
Okay, well, joke's over now. We're in. We're in. We're in.
Okay. I know you love me, but I'm busy. Cool. Today's video is brought to you by Performance Unit Cape Town, PU. That's the man over there, the CEO and founder, Matthew Keagz, otherwise known as Bags. You can purchase many things from Performance Unit. It's one of their main products over here, ethanol. So I'm just to give you that go-go juice for your vehicle and get you pumping there on the roads. And then we have the main man over there. He is a service provider. He will service and fix your car if needed. Cool.
Several days later.
Alright guys, it's a new day. So we are going to take a small break from the car scene and go hit some balls at the driving range with our good friends Casto and Jared. So let's go do that, and then as soon as we're done there, we're going to head over to Performance Unit Cape Town and see what's happening with the Mk6. Stay tuned. Inside you. Guys, I watched Forgetting Sarah Marshall this morning, so I'm going to be singing a whole lot of, oh shit, I need to turn. I'm so sorry. Oops. My indicator doesn't work on that side of the car, so what am I supposed to do? Guys, I don't know if I have like popo on my bonnet or something, but I'm getting some weird looks today from people driving past me. How did I do wrong, guys? Jeez, like it, man. Flop sacks. Can I get a hi, yeah? This place is buzzing. Hopefully I get signed up by the Tiger Woods Academy today. Should be some scouts out here, boys.
Hey!
Oh, mate.
Hi guys,
What's up? Welcome to the vlog, guys. Well, dead straight.
What video are you talking about?
Yeah, that thing's kak loud.
Need some. Here we go, boys. Yeah. Where did that go? Yeah, Robert.
Yeah, bro.
Sent.
Yeah, that's automatically 10% better. Yeah. Oh, that was that.
Sent.
That was even more.
Next one.
That's golf, boys. That's golf, boys.
So, how was golf today, guys?
Shut. No, that's good. Need some practice, but we tried our best.
That's golf.
Let's go, push.
That's golf, boys. Fuck dit, boys. Kom eens gaan drinken. Ek sien lus vir die kakkie.
And we're back. Our bags give us the update.
So, as you can see, the car's done. Like it's done.
Sure.
Yeah, that's what it stood for a month. Well, it was out for a month and I don't know, like 10 days or something. I would count because I'm a senti guy. But yeah, we're done here. All is good, all is well. Car's nice and smooth.
Good smile over.
How's it, guys? My name is Keagz TK. Usual VW shit. They wanted a launch. Let's give them a launch. How's it, buddy? Oh, we've just got this rock here. Sorry, man. Let me just make it look a bit more presentable.
Are you okay?
Looking better?
Great.
Do you have?
Chad, what do you think?
Do you have what's the name? Like a styrofoam thing behind you?
Yeah, I need to take that off.
Definitely broken. Metal, I think my car's one.
That's golf. That's golf, boys.
Hey?
Isn't that nice, Keegan?
Hey?
Isn't that so
How much do you pay a night here?
It's about $2.95.
Yeah, you always get service out
Awesome,
of
dude.
the
Oh, that's good coffee, eh?
Can't you?
Turn the volume down.
Okay.
There's another universal turn the volume down symbol.
Tell us how it's coming down there.
It's not going down very well, but we're trying. We just, as long as you try, you don't give up, then you should be good.
So dude, where's the switch going, eh?
The switch is trying to go in between this panel, but the idea worked in my head. It's just not working in reality. So it's a bit of a cock up right now.
Is it?
Bye now. So how do you feel about your new mods, bro?
That's good, eh?
Yeah, it's fucking good.
I'm enjoying it. Still needs a do, but yeah.
Welcome to the box.
Alright guys, so today was a very productive day. It's always great service at Performance Unit Cape Town. Unlimited coffee, free car wash. What more could you ask for? But seriously though, I'm very happy for Matthew. I'm glad his gearbox is in, everything's sorted. Test driven the car, obviously. The turbo's in, turbo's performing well. Obviously hasn't got the tune on yet, so we don't know what the outcome is, but already we just did a bit of runs now and the car's pulling really hard with a stage 2 file, and that's not even the right file for the car. So super happy for him. Very impressed with the work that they did. You wouldn't even say that they worked on the car. I wanted to get more footage of them putting the car back together, but it was very odd timing that they did it at, so I wasn't able to get all of the action. And then when I got there this morning or this afternoon, I thought there was going to be more parts to be put back onto the car, which I was probably going to help with, but as Matthew told me this morning, it was 7 o'clock in the morning and he was already spanning in the hand and grafting. We're going to see on Monday, taking the car down to the dyno, we're going to load the new file. So stay tuned for the next vlog, because we're going to cover all of that, get proper rolling shots of the car. It's going to be sick. So when you guys see this, please like and sub, I'd appreciate that. Share the video, share what Performance Unit is doing. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one. See! Today, where must I start from now? Where would you like me to start from, dude?
Today's wait, dude, we've got to have the label at the front. Okay, where's the man, dude? Okay. Is my hair going right here? Today's video is sponsored by Performance Unit. Pew pew. And the co-founder, the founder, sorry, not co-founder, redo. Whoopsie. Cool.